Okay, so we are going to assemble a hospitality basket for some guests that are coming in from New York, and we wanted to make it really nice, and it's very practical as well when you have someone traveling. You know, they can't pack everything. So let's get started. All of this, by the way, came from the Dollar Tree. So I picked up this little Dollar Tree tray type, well, it's a basket type thing. But it would be handy because it has handholds so that you could pick it up and carry it to the bathroom if you needed to carry your bathroom items. So these are the things we're going to be putting in it. I'm just going to set them in there as we go, and then we'll come back and make it look attractive. This is some 3-in-1 cotton product swabs, pads, cotton balls. So those would be handy to have. A first aid kit is always nice. This is a little travel care pack. It has some band-aids and antiseptic wipe and so forth. So that would be nice. Two small lotions, one for each person. In this case, it's a couple that's coming to visit, so one for each. These are Advil travel packs. There's 3 different packages of 2 in there. Also 2 travel toothpaste and toothbrushes. They may have brought their own, but if they did, it's no big deal. We can always save these for later, or they can take them with them. Here's some Tylenol in case they prefer Tylenol over ibuprofen. Some dental floss because nobody likes to be without dental floss. These are just some moist wipes, some antibacterial moist wipes. All of this is available at the Dollar Tree, and this whole basket was less than $30 for 2 people. Some people have sensitive skin, so I got a bar of the travel size bar of Dove sensitive skin. And also, because almost everybody can use Dove White. Could have gotten body wash, but you never know about how people react to fragrances. Here is 2 lip balms. And because we're in Alabama and you can get sunburned very easily in March, I picked up a small tube of Banana Boat 30 sunscreen. Now, to go in the basket itself, I picked up this pack of gift tissue paper that I'm going to arrange in the bottom. Two gift bags in case we want to. And incidentally, these were fastened together. Originally, they came 2 for $1. And that way, could put some snacks in it. Or could put the bathroom items for each person in there so that they could just pick it up and carry it with them to the guest bath. And then I got snacks to just put in the basket. Here is some like a nut mix: almonds, pecans, walnuts, honey roasted peanuts, honey roasted sesame sticks. You may want to double check and make sure they don't have any allergies before you purchase this type thing. And also, when you're getting it at the Dollar Tree, all of these were well within the expiration date, but just be sure to check the expiration date. This one was Best By 10/23 of 2019, and this is actually March of 2018, so I thought that's great. This has 2 packages of Nature Valley Oats and Honey granola bars. Some chocolate, of course. You have to have chocolate. These are Lindor truffles. Some Hershey's Kisses. These are the milk chocolate with caramel variety. some Dove chocolates. Do you think I have some type of theme going on here? My absolute favorite Werther's, the caramel apple filled hard candies. Those are awesome. And this is 3 packs of Tic Tacs. Now, not shown here, which I'm gonna just get out of the bottled water I had at home. I'm going to have 2 bottles of water because there's nothing worse than spending the night at someone's house and you don't really want to get up and go plundering around in the kitchen at all hours of night. And I drink water all night. I don't know about you guys. Also, something that I already had, I'm going to make a candle with, but I'm going to put some of these in the bottom. I don't know if you eat wee yogurt. It's French style yogurt. Comes in these little glass containers, and then just to recycle it, I just took a little piece of ribbon tied around it. Actually, at the time I put this lavender ribbon, I was planning on having a purple basket, so I may change that out and make it green or yellow. But I'll put these in the bottom, and then I'll put an LED candle inside. Just drop that in just to give you an idea. And these little LED candles are available at the Dollar Tree as well, and they come 2 to the pack, so I'll also put the extra one in here. Each one is supposed to last about 120 hours. So that's what we're going to do. Now let's assemble it.